Hey guys, it's MC Fix-It here. We have a 2009 to 2015 Toyota Rav4. This one's a 2011. This light works and this headlight doesn't. So I will walk you through all the tools and the supplies on how you can fix this project yourself. Here are the tools that I'm going to use for this project. This is a 9006. Underneath it does have some other numbers. It has a HB4, and I like to use a towel and gloves because if you touch the halogen light bulb, you can actually mess them up, and so take the extra precautions. Let's go ahead and get the engine bay open. There's a switch right here. You just pull it towards you. Just to the right of the Toyota of center is a latch, and then we'll go ahead and hold it up, making sure that your car is off. There'll be one switch, one light bulb here. We're actually going for the back one, which is your main one. You're going to take it and turn it away from the engine and pull that straight out, and then we're going to grab right here is the connector, and you just push that, and this should match the same number on here, which it does. And then this is where you can touch the plastic piece here, but I like to wrap on a clean side this part just to make sure there's no possible way I ruin it. Put this little connector piece in. Use the connector piece. You want to find the hole with your hand because it is kind of in an awkward position. Back up into place, and then we'll go ahead and test. So it might be hard to tell, but that is working right there, and you have fixed your headlights successfully. If you want to do both at the same time, you can. If you want to wait and do it again at another time, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Whatever is best for you. These bulbs do last a long time because they are halogen, but at the same time, they don't last forever. So this is quite a few year old vehicle, and that's the old one, and in with the new. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Hopefully you guys have a good day and are able to do this project yourself.